up guys, Miguel here with a walk around video on this 4runner. This is a 3rd gen 4runner 1997 with 312,000 miles. PIAA lighting, fog lights, ditch lights, and a light bar. And what I'm making this video for is that I finally upgraded the suspension to a Bilstein 5100 and Old Man Emu springs. A little bit bouncy right now, but it'll also give me the option to add a an ARB bumper as well, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. The old suspension was rough country, and exactly what it sounds like, rough country. Had it on for 2 years, ended up having to swap it out because it was a little bit too high. This is 2 inches lower than that rough country lift kit that I put on, and then it's actually a lot better when I go off-roading. So if you're thinking about the rough country and you're thinking about the Bilstein, I would probably just go straight to the Bilstein and save you some money. Gobi ladder, and then in the back is pretty stocked with tools, recovery kit, more tools, and then some traction boards. I like it a lot better now because it's lower, and my steering is a lot stiffer as well. BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires with Vision wheels. Weston side step, and then just the Chinese bull bar that I put on. Over here, I don't know what happened to the music, but there it is. It's a Pioneer deck. I removed the clock over here so that I could put this fast charger. 312,000 miles. Evolve window film by Suntech. Got a period correct Broadway mirror over here, and the base comes from this DS18 sub that I put behind my seat, since no one sits behind me. And then we're gonna go into the hood area. Oh yeah, Razzle pedals, and then, you know, my switch panel for the lights. Over here, pretty much everything has been changed. G plus radiator hoses, Denso. It's got the CS123 if I'm not mistaken, alternator upgrade. R1 concepts, slotted brakes. Yeah, timing belt, water pump, and everything was also done. Also the fuel injectors were done on this one. Spiker hood struts, and then a Scarab hood light that is now no longer working, so I'm gonna have to replace that guy. But pretty much that's my 3rd gen 4runner, and that's what I've done with it. The last, I think I've had it for 4 years. 312,000 miles. I drive it about 5,500 miles to 6,000 miles a year. I hope I could just keep this truck forever. Thanks for watching.